Hey wonderful people, so today is all about samosa pockets, and here we have about 500 ml wheat flour, and that's wheat flour too. We will set aside, use it later. Our cooking oil about 3 tablespoons, that's salt, and our 500 ml warm water, but we will not use it all. So back to our wheat flour, we will add about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Then we will stir it thoroughly to make sure that our flour is well combined with salt. Slowly by slowly go in with water. Don't add it once, just add a little by little till you get the paste that you want. Then we will start kneading using our hands, but if you have a kneading machine, then better for you, because it will be a bit easier. Samosa dough should be exactly thick like that of chapati. So if most of you know how to prepare chapati, then that's exactly how your dough should be. Or if you don't know more about chapati dough, then don't make your dough too hard or too soft. Let it be at a point that it will be easier for you to knead and to cut it and make those small balls. So now, after kneading this dough for about 5 minutes, I made a big ball, then placed it back to my bowl, covered it, and I let that rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I uncovered the dough, placed it back on my working area, and at this point I will start cutting this into small balls. Make sure they are not big, just small enough for them to roll out later to a bigger chapati. So kindly just watch keenly how I will make these balls. All set and done, so I will place these balls aside. And now, because it's your first time, I will advise that you work them into 3 portions or 3 balls. Don't work out with 4 or 5. So I will show you how to work with 3, because it will be a little easier if it's your first time trying to make these pockets. So now, as you have seen, I picked one, sprinkled a little bit of wheat flour, the flour that I told you earlier we will use it. So now this is the time to use it. So I sprinkle it a little bit, took one ball. Now at this point, don't roll out your ball into a bigger chapati. No, just roll it to a small size. After rolling to that size, you set it aside. We will then pick another ball, sprinkle some flour, roll it again. Remember, just roll it the size of the first chapati that you rolled out. We will then set it aside, pick the third one, roll it the same size as the first 2, and I will start to guide you again on what to do next with these 3 chapatis. having finished rolling your third chapati, pick your oil. Remember, I had shown you this oil earlier on and told you we will use it later. So now at this point, it's when it's needed. So apply on a generous amount on your chapati, as you can see there, because when you tend to apply less amount, later on while trying to separate these 3 chapatis, it will be a bit difficult for you. So after applying the oil, sprinkle again some wheat flour, just a little bit, as you can see there. Then we will pick one of the chapatis, place it again on top of this one, of the last chapati that we rolled it. Pick again the oil, sprinkle or oil this chapati again. Remember, you apply generous amount of oil. After applying the oil, we will again sprinkle some wheat flour, just a little. Pick the last chapati now, place it on top, and out of these 3 chapatis, we will make one bigger chapati. So keenly watch what I will be doing. So set your one big chapati aside, back to our cooker. Place your pan there and let it heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. After the pan has heat enough, now pick your one big chapati. Don't worry about the size of the pan. I will show you how to work out with the small size of the pan that you have, because as you can see on my end, the chapati was bigger than the pan, and the ends also needs to dry up. So keep on rotating your chapati side to side. As you can see, I now place the ends at the center of the pan, and time to time I keep rotating all the ends till I saw now they have dried enough. After seeing yours on your end has also dried enough, make sure that they have dried completely. Then now you flip your big chapati on the other side. After flipping it, keep on turning it time to time, turn it time to time, as you can see I will be doing. And remember to place the ends at the center too, so that they can get to dry up. And now, because we've worked with 3 chapatis, it will be easier to separate them, unlike working with 5 or 6. After now being a pro, you can work with 6 or 5 of these. So watch too and get to see what I will be doing. Yes, you've seen how it was easy to separate these chapatis, and all this is because of the generous amount of the oil that I applied. So while making yours too, make sure you apply enough oil while rolling your chapatis. So now it's time to shape them to a round or a best shape. So I didn't have a circular or best thing to use, so I had to use this. But on your end, if you have anything good, better than mine, then you can use it too to make the best circles that we will be using. Done. So now out of these best circular shaped chapatis, we will cut them to a triangular shape, and I will also show you using 2 other method of samosa pocket. So still watch this video, don't get tired of watching it if you are learning something. hoping that out of this video you've learned something. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that we can get to grow together. So let's meet on the next one.